Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning. It's Saturday here. Actually, I would say almost Christmas. Today's December 23rd, and I woke up as usual to go to the gym because on Saturdays I go to a yoga class, to a yoga detox class, but the class got canceled. I don't like when they change my plans. But anyways, I passed by my Starbucks and got my coffee because that's what I do every Saturday. I go to the yoga class and then I pass by the Starbucks and bring coffee because I don't know, it's like a little treat to me on Saturdays. I have a Starbucks coffee. And then I came back. Of course, I already recorded the yoga flow for the channel, and now I can say that I can start the day because I have my coffee. Finally gonna drink my coffee. I don't know what the day will look like because it's Saturday, but it's a different Saturday. Anyways, we plan to go outside to do something, but the weather right now is not inviting. I don't feel invited by the weather to come outside. Let's say it. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's cold. I need to warm up my coffee. Saturdays we usually go for a brunch, but the date today is kind of, and it's close to Christmas and we have to still buy some things for our Christmas Eve. So we decided let's go to the grocery store and, I don't know, buy something to eat at home. I'm not in the mood for brunch. Are you?
Let's see.
We headed to a local grocery store known for its wide selection of organic produce. We wanted to pick it up the last few things we needed for our special Christmas dinner. I finally found the herbs plants I've been searching for. It's amazing how something as simple as finding the right herbs can bring such joy. Feeling hungry, we decided to grab lunch from the grocery store's rotisserie. One simple tip I have for you when you are assembling a plate outside of home is to make it colorful. It not only looks visually appealing, but also ensures you are getting a variety of nutrients. With our groceries sorted, we made a quick stop to buy some wine. We chose a delightful Barolo for our Christmas dinner and another bottle for regular nights when we want to unwind and relax. I indulged in one of my favorite treats, a homemade protein cookie. These cookies are always stocked in our house, providing a healthy and satisfying snack option. Next up, I prepared a delicious dinner for a cozy Saturday night at home. I cooked beef medallions with glazed carrots, a classic combination that never fails to please the taste buds. Welcome to my Sunday. We already started the day before this greeting. We went to the gym this morning. This time I went with my husband and I passed by my Starbucks and then we came home. I don't know what we are going to do today because today is Christmas Eve. So I already have everything we need for dinner here. I don't have plans at all. So I think I'm gonna relax. It's gonna be a relaxing day. Some editing, maybe playing some video games. I don't know. It's a rare day. On Sundays, I don't go to the gym on Sundays. It's my rest day. But because tomorrow is a holiday and the gym is gonna be closed, we decided to go today instead of tomorrow, of course. So let's see how the day goes. We decided to prepare a brunch, and I whipped up a taste omelette. There is no secret recipe here. I simply used whatever ingredients I had in the fridge that I thought would go well with eggs. It's all about being creative and using what you have on hand. Our Sunday was all about relaxation. We snuggle up in bed, watching TV shows and playing games, with our furry friend keeping us company. Sometimes the best way to recharge is by taking it easy and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. Now, the highlight of our Christmas weekend was the special dinner I prepared. It's a tradition in our household to have lamb on Christmas. I season it with a blend of salt, black pepper, and mint, creating a delicious and aromatic flavor. To accompany the lamb, I made baked potatoes infused with fragrant herbs. The combination of tender meat and crisp potatoes was absolutely divine. Before the main dish was ready, I prepared a delightful appetizer, oysters. I kept it simple by steaming them until they opened. Then I whipped up a tangy sauce using soy sauce, lemon juice, and a dash of hot sauce. The combination of flavors was heavenly. And that's a wrap on our cozy Christmas weekend. It was filled with love, warmth, and mouth-watering dishes. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance and making small changes that work for you. I hope this vlog has inspired you to embrace the joy of everyday moments and create your own healthy traditions. Until next time, stay positive and keep spreading the love. Namaste.